This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Come see this beautiful home on a luxurious golf course community in the sought-after River Bluff neighborhood, situated along the Nansemond River. The open concept floor plan is accentuated with gorgeous hardwood floors. Gourmet kitchen with granite countertops and tile floors. Large primary bedroom with a walk-in closet and soaking tub. Great outdoor space for entertaining. Do not miss out on this opportunity. Your family will enjoy the community pool, playground, soccer field, and trails. Close to major highway schools, shopping. For more information, review the details below.